Go na.
And look into your eyes, it's like watching the night sky or a beautiful sunrise. But there's so much to hold, just like the most stars. I see that you come so far to be right where you are. How long is your soul? I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up, and you're leading your space to do something. I'll be here patiently waiting to see what you find. 'Cause even the stars say burn, some even fall to the earth. We've got love to learn. God knows we're worth it. No, I won't give up. I don't wanna be someone who walks away so easily. I'm here to stay and make a difference that I can make. Our differences, they do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts we got. We got a lot at stake. And in the end, it's still my friend. At least we did intend for us to work. We didn't break, we didn't burn. We had to learn how to bend without the world getting in. I had to learn what I got and what I'm not, and who I am. I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up, and I won't give up on us. I know sometimes I am tough, I am loved to learn. God knows we're worth it. I won't give up on us, even if the skies get wrong. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up. Palpak! Oh,